Very welcome to students. How are you? And today's topic, knockout and its advantage. And we will discuss about the advantage and disadvantage and with example fixtures, different team fixtures. How many rounds, how many number of matches, and how many buys given upper half and lower half. All things discussed in our today classes. And yesterday we will discuss about the number of formulas, different formulas related to buys, find out the buys related to number of rounds, related to number of match, upper half teams, lower half teams, and all formula discussed yesterday in using knockout tournaments. And today discuss about the advantage, disadvantage with example fixtures. First, we will discuss about the advantage. What is the advantage of knockout tournament? Advantage of knockout tournament. First advantage of knockout tournament: defeat team. First advantage of knockout tournament: defeat team easily removed from the tournament to save cost and money. Save cost. To save cost and money. You save cost and money. And second is no second chance given by the any team. So team participates seriously and very and give the 100% in it first and second round each. Because if team elimination, no one second chance to given by the team and no one enter in a tournament. So one team and particular players give our 100% to defeat opponents teams. So knockout tournament also, second example, give 100% every performance, every teams and every players give our 100% to the tournament. First save the cost and time. Save the cost and time. Second, no second chance. Second, we can say that give best performance because no second chance. Give best performance because no second chance. No second chance. In the knockout tournament, no second chance. So every player and every team give over 100%. Third, fewer people fewer officials and fewer organization officials easily organize a tournament, knockout tournament, because number of team participates easily eliminated by the first round, second round, third round. So easily one win, that is go forward, and losers do go out. So easily fewer people easily organize any tournament and easily effectively reach a successful any tournament. And keep the point on your mind from our 3 points. So fourth point and very important point. So due to short period of time, tournaments in different games and different tournaments, different games like judo, wrestling, like cricket. So few reasons knockout tournament helpful to create interest of our visitors and different all over the peoples. So create interest interest इंटरेस्ट या इम्प्रूव एक्साइटमेंट create interest or improve excitement level. So that is the few example of knockout tournament. Save the cost and time. That is few example. Now we will discuss about disadvantage. Now we will discuss about what is the disadvantage of knockout tournament. Second disadvantage. First disadvantage, no second chance. No second chance give to particular team या players. And second overall weaker team बोल सकते हैं ओवरऑल वीकर टीम might advantage after first round, after winning, we can say that after winning first round, after winning won first round. That is a second disadvantage. And third, because sometimes good teams is eliminated by the luck in a knockout tournament. So anywhere lack of poor judgment. Third advantage, poor judgment. Third disadvantage, poor judgment. Fourth, divide the even number of participants in player. In even numbers, divide the teams in a pair में. उससे क्या हो जाएगा कि सभी को फाइट करना पड़ेगा. No one getting the bye. So that is a disadvantage of even number team. And good team losing, you divide the even number of team participants. इक्वल पेयर, दोनों टीमों में, दोनों हाफ्स में या दोनों क्वार्टर्स में बराबर टीम्स आएंगी. सो इसके कारण वो पेयर एक दूसरे से बनेंगे इजीली, और जो एडवांटेज होना चाहिए ऑड में वो इवन में नहीं मिल पाता. अब इसके बाद आते हैं फिफ्थ, गुड टीम्स लूजिंग. सो अब गुड टीम्स जो लूज कर जाती हैं, जो वॉलंटियर्स देखने आते हैं अच्छी टीम्स को, वो वहां पर अपनी टीम को हारने देखने के बाद आउट हो जाते हैं। सपोज करो नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट में राफेल नडाल या मेसी की टीम को किया गया, या हम इंडिया में कह सकते हैं सुनील छेत्री की टीम पार्टिसिपेट की है नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट, बट एनी रीजन फर्स्ट राउंड में ही सुनील छेत्री की टीम हार गई। मोस्ट ऑफ द वॉलंटियर्स सुनील छेत्री, मोस्ट ऑफ द विजिटर्स सुनील छेत्री के टीम को देखने आए थे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हारने के कारण तो वॉलंटियर्स का इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो जाता है विजिटर्स का, देन वो अपने चले जाते हैं, और इसके बाद फर्दर जो मैच है उनके टिकट सेल्स में भी डिक्लाइन देखने को मिल सकता है। दैट इज अनदर एग्जाम्पल डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ नॉकआउट टूर्नामेंट्स हियर। Now we will discuss about one example with full explanation of fixtures of any odd number team and even number team. So first of all we discuss about one odd number team. Odd number team like 13 teams. How to draw the 13 teams fixtures? First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. First we decided the which half of number of teams. So first number of teams in upper half, number of teams in upper half, lower half. Formula is that for odd number of teams in upper half more. So formula is there, n plus 1 upon 2. N means number of teams. How much? 13 plus 1 upon 2 and 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. So 7 in upper half and 6 in lower half. Lower half formula n minus 1 upon 2. 13 minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 6. So 6 teams in a lower half. That is divided the first half and upper half and lower half in 2 halves. Divided the teams. Now we will discuss how much we are getting in this 13 teams. How much we are getting? Minus number of teams minus the 2 to power n values. 2 to power n values. First 2 to power 1, 2 to power 2, 2 to power 3, 2 to power 4, 2 to power 5, 2 to power 6. Which 2, 4, 8, 16, then 32. Then 32. Then 32. So how much team? How many number of team? 30. Minus which powers? 16. Because 13 after 13 digit, upcoming digit is 16 in our 2 powers. So number of pi 16, number of pi. So here, number of pi 16 minus 30. Number of pi 3 pi's. Number of pi 3 pi's. 3 pi's. Now the question is how much pi given in the lower half and how much pi given in the upper half. So here is formula for defining the lower half pi and upper half pi. See here. Number of pi in upper half. formula is here, upper half number of by minus 1 upon 2 and number of by plus 1 upon 2. Formula is the total by is 3. Total by is 3. Now here in upper half, number of upper half 3 minus 1 upon 2. How much? Only 1 by given to upper half. 1 by given to upper half, first by given to in upper half, lower teams. Then 7. Now here, number of y 3 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 by lower half. 2 by lower half. So then first y is equal to 13 team, then second is to 8 team. Now we will draw the fixtures like that. First means 1 and 2. Suppose their winner is 2, their winner is 3, 5. Now match fight between the 2 and 3. Winner is 2. Here 5. Here 5. That is the quarters. Now 9, 11. Now 9 compete to 8 given by they fight in a second round. So 9 compete to 8. Winner is suppose 8. Now here 11 winning the match. So 11 fight in second round between the 30. So here winner is 11. Now that is a 4 quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a 4 quarter. So that is we can say that quarter final. Now final. Semi-final. Semi-final means between the 2 and 5 compete. 2 and 5 compete in a upper half. So winner is a suppose 5. Now here in lower half 2 and 8 and 11 fight between each other. So winner is 8. So then total winner is 5. Here we will discuss number of by, number of matches, and number of by and total by. Now we will discuss about number of matches. How much in 13 team number of matches fought between each other. Number of matches. Formula is n minus 1. N means number of team. Number of team 30 minus 1 is equal to 12 matches. How many matches? 12 matches. Number of matches formula is n minus 1. N minus 1 upon n minus 1 means 12 matches. See here. 1 match, 2 match, 3 match, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So only there is short formula. Number of matches n minus 1. 13 minus 1 upon 1 is equal to 12 matches. Now here question is how much rounds? How much rounds? 1 round, second round, third round, and 4 round. And shortly how can define the how much number of rounds compete in a different teams? So there is when first 13 teams how much getting the by divided by 16 because 16 is a power of 2 and team is 30. So 16 on which position power of 2? Position number 4. Position number 4. So how much rounds? 4 rounds. How much rounds? 4 rounds. Number of rounds. How much rounds? 4 rounds. How much rounds? 4 rounds. There is a odd because this number is a odd number. Now we will discuss even number team. Now Now we will discuss even number team. In even number team, formulas changes, different formulas changes, and even number team equally divided. So we will discuss in even number team fixtures, complete fixtures, and how much rounds, how much buys given there, and how much matches there. All the things cover on with example. Here we draw fixtures of even number teams. What is the changes in fixtures in even number teams and which formula used in even number teams? Here all things is covered. So even number is supposed at 12 teams. How much? 12 teams. First draw the whole numbers. 1, 12 number. 12 number, and first of all, how we decide the halves? Formula is number of upper halves and number of lower halves. Number of upper suppose total team 12. तो नंबर ऑफ फॉर्मूला इवन नंबर में फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? इवन नंबर n by 2. वेयर ऑड नंबर्स n plus 1, तो हियर इवन नंबर्स n by 2. n by 2 means 12 by 2 means 6. So upper half 6, in lower half also 6. Same formula. 6 in lower half 6. That is the formula for even number in divided the team in two halves. Now, question is how much buys? How much buys? Minus the teams, minus the upcoming 2 की powers digits. Upcoming 2 की power digits 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64. Power 6. So here 2 की power 1, 2, 2 की power 2, 4, 2 की power 3, 2 की power 4, 16. So here upcoming after the 12, which number? 16. How much total by? Total buys. How much? 16 minus 12. Total by 4. Total by 4. And how much by given in lower half and upper half? Because by comes under the even numbers. By comes under the even numbers. So distribution of by formula is same to in previous like number of matches. So four teams in upper half, 4 buys in upper half buys is n by 2, यानी 2y. Upper half also given the 2y and lower half also given the 2y. So first by given 2y, first given है सबसे lower team को, last lower team by, because lower half 2y and upper half 2y, then by, and then second quarter, second half by and by. And then 5 complete between the first round, 4 and 5, 2 and 3. Then winner is 2, winner is 5. Then compete in second round, 1, winner 1, winner 6. Now compete each other, winner 6, Now here winner 8, winner 10. Now here winner 7. Now here winner 12. Now each other compete. Winner 12. 12 then compete 6 and 12. Winner 6. First position. 6 is a winner. And how much round? First round, second round, third round, and fourth round. In shortly, we can show rounds like 16 in position, fourth position, 2 to the power 4. So round is 4. And number of team, number of formula also, and number of matches. Number of matches is even and odd. Same formula in number of matches. Number of matches formula n minus 1. N minus 1. Team 12 minus 1. Total 11. How much matches? Total 11 matches in even. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. First round matches. Then second round 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matches. Third round 9, 10. 10 matches, then final 11 matches. So how much matches compete in a 12 teams? 11 matches. So that is the formula for even and odd, all same. Number of matches formula is all same for even and odd number of teams. So here we will draw 12 teams and number of matches and number of rounds. Number of rounds, 4 rounds, number of by 4, each half given by 2, 2, and upper half teams even numbers, so upper half team equally divided, upper half is 6, lower half is also 6, then comparing each other easily, so winner is 6, our assumption. So there is a even number team. So any even number team, like suppose that 17 number team. So 17 number team divide the by the 32. 17 number teams. So see there, like the example. Suppose that how much number teams? 17. 17. How much? By getting 17 divided by 17 subtract by the 17 किस में घटाया जाएगा? Subtract by the 32. Subtraction by the from the 32 because 32 upcoming digit है किसका? 17 teams का. तो 32 divided by 17. Total कितनी बाइस आएंगी? How much बाइस we are getting? 15 बाइस. Same, you may distribute and then same, suppose team is 20. How much by? Same divided by 32 minus 20. How much? 2. Then 12 by. 12 by. Suppose that their team number is 16. That is an even number team. So how much y we are getting? How much y? Suppose even number also in a 2 की power. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Means no y is we will getting no y here divided by the according to formula and according to our sequence and according in number of 16. Same. So 16 minus 16 is no y we getting. Same number like 8. 8 number of teams. So 8 minus 8. So no y. If 9 number of teams, so 9 number of teams minus by the 16. 16 minus 9 equal to how much? Y? 7 by. 7 by. 7 by. Same if team is 32. 32 also in our range 32. So 32 minus 32 is equal to no by. No by. So that is one of the our concepts. So in even our same number team in our series 2 की powers so we have, so there is no by provided by our simplest formula. So there is some example like even number and odd number pictures and how to draw and how much number of matches, how much number of rounds and how much number of teams in upper half and how much number of teams in lower halves. So all things covered in our even and odd number with example and with advantage and disadvantage. Here our knockout tournament is and knockout fixture is completely completed and completely clear and all doubts are covered in these topics. So I hope you are doing well. Thank you. Have a nice day.